नमस्कार दोस्तों, वेलकम टू SBI सिक्योरिटीज़ मॉर्निंग पॉडकास्ट। इस पॉडकास्ट पे हम डिस्कस करेंगे की लेवल्स और बात करेंगे मेन सेक्टर्स के बारे में जो कि फोकस में है। शुरुआत करते हैं ग्लोबल मार्केट अपडेट से। ऑन थर्सडे ऑल थ्री मेजर यूएस इंडाइसेस क्लोज्ड इन द रेड। द नैस्डैक फेल 0.8%, द S&P 500 declined 0.53% and the Dow Jones slipped 0.25%. Technically, the major trend of the S&P 500 is bullish as it is quoting above its crucial moving averages. Going ahead, the zone of 5,980 to 6,000 will act as a crucial hurdle for the index. While on the downside, the 20-day EMA zone of 5,860 to 5,840 will act as an immediate support for the index. Talking about Brent crude has been oscillating near its 20-day EMA level since the last 16 trading sessions. The daily RSI has been in the sideways zone since the last 20 trading sessions. Going ahead, the zone of $65.5 to $65.8 is likely to act as a key resistance. On the downside, the zone of $63 to $62.8 is expected to provide immediate support. Talking about the US dollar index, the US dollar index ended lower by 0.11% on Thursday. Currently, it is quoting below its crucial moving averages. Going ahead, the zone of 99.4 to 99.6 will act as a crucial hurdle for the index, while on the downside, the zone of 98 to 97.8 will act as an immediate support. Talking about Nifty's view, on the weekly expiry day, the benchmark index Nifty opened with a gap up and surged sharply during the first half of the session. However, it faced resistance near the 24,900 mark and gave up some of its gains, correcting nearly 150 points from the day's high. Eventually, the index settled at 24,750, up 0.53% for the day. On the daily chart, it formed a small bodied bullish candle with an upper shadow highlighting selling pressure at higher levels. The recent price action clearly suggests that the market is in a wait and watch mode ahead of the crucial RBI policy announcement. Greater clarity on market's direction is likely to emerge after today's event. क्रूजल लेवल्स की बात करें तो 24,650 से 24,620 का जोन इंडेक्स के लिए एक इम्पॉर्टेंट सपोर्ट जोन होगा। अगर इंडेक्स 24,620 के नीचे स्लिप करता है तो अगला मेजर सपोर्ट 24,500 के आसपास होगा। वही ऊपर की तरफ 24,870 से 24,900 का जोन इंडेक्स के लिए एक इमीडिएट हर्डल का काम करेगा। अगर इंडेक्स 24,900 के ऊपर सस्टेन करता है तो शॉर्ट टर्म में 25,050 तक जाने के चांसेस है, जिसके बाद 25,200 का लेवल टेस्ट हो सकता है। On the derivative front, the June future surged by 0.53%, while the combined open interest for the current, next and far series surged by 4.26%, which indicates an overall long build-up. The 24,800 strike has significant call open interest followed by 24,900 strike. On the put side, 24,700 has substantial open interest followed by 24,600 strike. For the weekly series, the OI PCR is at 0.73. Talking about Bank Nifty ended on a flat note on Thursday and formed a doji-like candle, which shows indecisiveness ahead of the RBI policy outcome. क्रूशियल लेवल्स की बात करें तो 55,400 to 55,300 का जोन एक इमीडिएट सपोर्ट का काम करेगा, जबकि ऊपर की तरफ 55,900 to 56,000 का जोन एक की हर्डल के रूप में काम करेगा। Talking about Sensex view, the benchmark index Sensex marked a high of 81,911 on Thursday and thereafter witnessed a correction of over 450 points. It finally ended at the 81,442 level with a gain of 0.55% and formed a small body bullish candle with a long upper shadow. आगे जाके 81,100 to 81,000 का जोन इंडेक्स के लिए एक इमीडिएट सपोर्ट का काम करेगा। वही ऊपर की तरफ 81,700 to 81,800 का जोन इंडेक्स के लिए क्रूशियल हर्डल होगा। On the derivative front, the weekly future surged by 0.52% and the open interest of the current series has dipped by 28.3%. The 81,500 strike has significant call open interest followed by the 82,000 strike. On the put side, 81,000 has a substantial open interest followed by an 80,500 strike. The OI PCR is at 0.77. Talking about the key market indicators, for the third consecutive trading session, the volatility gauge India VIX ended on a negative note. Further, it has slipped below its short and long-term moving averages. This shows the overall market volatility has decreased significantly. The advance decline ratio largely tilted in the favor of advances. Talking about the key sectors, technically Nifty Capital Market, Defense, Realty, CPSE and PSE are likely to continue their outperformance in the short term. Talking about the FIDI data in the cash segment, the FI is sold to the tune of 208 crores, while the DI is bought to the tune of 2,382 crores. The FI's long short ratio for index futures is at 16.48, as on a net basis they sold 4,053 index futures. So that's a wrap of today's edition of podcast. Thank you for listening. Do tune in tomorrow for more such market updates and insights.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.